Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful abstract painting of Shivji and Mata Parvati. So without wasting any moment, let's start the video. So my sketch is done and here I am using Camel Artist watercolors. So for the skin color, here I am using orange and white. And for Shivji skin portion, I am using orange, white with some brown. So after completing the skin portion, now I am quickly do the background using blue and yellow. So now I quickly finish the other elements of my painting using primary colors. So now I am using a brown shade to highlight the eyes, nose and other areas. As I want to keep this painting as simple as I can, here I am using a black color and adding a little strokes onto the hair instead of filling the hair with black. As you guys can see, in this painting I am using as less numbers of colors as I can. So if you like this painting, you can surely recreate it, and don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Okay guys, so till now, if you enjoy this process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also you can share it with your friends and family, and comment down below what you think about this one. So till then, I will see you in the next one. Bye.